Hello guys. In today's video I am going to show you top 10 must-have useful home gadgets. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, our first product is this soap dispenser brush for cleaning clothes guys. Now you don't need to throw away the leftover pieces of soap because you can use them again. Yes guys, you heard right, you can use them again. For that, you just need this soap dispenser brush in which you have to put the leftover pieces of soap and then press it from the top and foam starts coming out from it. And there is a brush attached to it in front with the help of which you can easily wash your clothes, and not only clothes but you can also wash carpet, etc. So guys, let's move to our second product, which is this wall-mounted storage racks in which you can put bathroom products and kitchen products, etc. And this is self-adhesive, so you don't need to do holes on walls, and it holds strongly and water will flow down because it has small holes in bottom. Our third product is flower pot holder. By using these you can easily clean the floor without removing pots from their space, and you don't need to move pots for anything, just hang these pots in these flower holder on grill. And with the help of these holders, you can keep the flower pots organized properly and they look beautiful also. So guys, let's move to our fourth product, which is this shoe rack holder, and this product is perfect for those people whose shoes are scattered around the house. By using this you can organize your shoes. And you get so much space in it to put your shoes in it, and you also get a holder on top on which you can hang your stuff. So guys, let's move to our fifth product, which is this foldable sink splash guard, which prevents water from spilling out while washing utensils, which keeps the counter clean and dry, and it is adjustable, which fits comfortably on all sizes of sinks. It also comes with a basket, in which you can keep a dishwasher, etc. Now let's move to our sixth product, which is this cloth line. This is a clothes drying line which has hooks on both the ends which we can hang anywhere comfortably. And we can dry many clothes by hanging them on the hanger, and because the clothes are kept far apart, the clothes dry quickly, and this rod is very strong and no matter how many clothes you dry on it, it does not break. Now let's move to our seventh product, which is this magnifying lead nail cutter, which helps to cut nails without cutting our skin near nails. Because of its magnifying glass you can clearly see where you have to cut, and if you can't see properly then this product is specially made for you, and they give nail filer as well. So guys, let's move to our eighth product, which is this silicone gel socks, which helps in repair crack heels, and to use it just put any cream in this silicone gel socks which you want to use. And then spread the cream well all over the socks and then wear it in your legs, and it will soften your cracked heels, and it is reuse and washable. So guys, our ninth product is this storage container, and in this we can store our grains like pulses and rice at one place and can easily take out our grains by rotating the container. And because of this product we don't need to put our grains in different containers, and this will save space in our kitchen. Let's move to our 10th product, which is this collector bin, and this is a must-have product for everyone, and not only a must-have but also very innovative, and this product should be in everyone's house because this is not a normal dustbin but it has small space below this dustbin in which we put rolls of plastic bags, and then we pull plastic bags from below and then we put plastic bag on this dustbin. And when this bag gets filled with garbage, then we will take out this bag and throw it away, and then we will take out another bag from below. So guys, if you like my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest videos notification. Till then, take care, see you in the next video.